Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Release TV Chanel. Introducing the 2025 Chevrolet Cobalt SS, a car that combines nostalgic design with modern power and style. Is this the ultimate compact car comeback we've all been waiting for? If you're into the latest car releases and love staying ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe to Car Release TV, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that share button to keep the conversation going. The Chevrolet Cobalt SS is back for 2025, reviving a legacy that fans have missed since the early 2000s. Known back then as a high-performance option for compact car enthusiasts, the original Cobalt SS was an impressive mix of speed, agility, and affordability. It was a car that brought performance to those who didn't want to break the bank, but still wanted to have a ton of fun on the road. Now, Chevrolet is bringing that magic back with the 2025 Cobalt SS, and it's more exciting than ever. The new model has been reimagined from the ground up, featuring a look that's both familiar and fresh. It blends iconic design cues with modern styling in a way that pays homage to the original while appealing to today's drivers. The exterior is sleek and aerodynamic, showcasing an aggressive front grille that makes a bold statement. LED lighting adds a modern edge, illuminating the road with precision while giving the car an unmistakable signature look. The body lines are sharp and purposeful, enhancing its sporty character. And when you spot that classic SS badging and the bold alloy wheels, you'll know this isn't your average compact. Chevrolet has designed the 2025 Cobalt SS to stand out among other compact cars, balancing performance, style, and functionality. It's a true nod to its legacy, bringing back the essence of what made the original Cobalt SS so special. If you're excited about the return of the Cobalt SS and what it means for compact performance cars, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to Car Release TV for more deep dives, reviews, and first looks at all the latest releases in the car world.